get the price for your board, select Order Boards at the top, and you will get this opening. And your options will be standard mini board with no mask. If you select this, you'll see that your boards will be yellow with no silkscreen, no solder mask. This is a sample preview, and also over here it'll show you false for top screen, solder mask, silkscreen, and bottom silkscreen. This would be the mini board option, which would offer you 3 boards. This cannot be changed on mini boards, as this is a discount service for 3 boards. And this is the build time. These are standard build for 1 day. Or if you need more boards, you can select Standard Plus. Then you can select up to 5,000 boards, so 1 to 5,000. So if I still select 5, then you can also select how many days build time you want. So if we select 2 days, and then you'll need to come over and you'll need to fill in your shipping address information, and you can select your shipping method. Our flat rate second day air is very inexpensive and affordable, and may be the least expensive option for you. So once you select that and add in your shipping info, just select Get Price, and it'll give you the price. And then if you want boards with silkscreen and solder mask, you can select the mini board option, and you can see it shows silkscreen, solder mask, and it shows true. Now this will not have bottom silkscreen because it's disabled in board properties. If you do want bottom silkscreen, you can enable that. That'll be in the design info option. And if you need 1 to 10 of these, Proto Plus would be the way to go. But you can select up to 10, and you would select your build time that you want for it. And you can also select whether you want silver or tin lead plating. And if you want production, that would be for 1 to 1,000 board, or 1 to 5,000 boards. And you can also select your time there as well. And hit Get Price, and it'll give you your price.